Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, let's about English alphabet, counting and shapes. First of all, we discuss about colors. Okay, learn about color. This is orange color, skin color, green color, sky blue color, light parrot color, purple color, yellow color, black color, red color, chocolate color, pink color and grey color. Now we draw English alphabet. This is A. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. This is C. C is for cat. C is for cat. D. This is D. D is for dog. E. This is E. E is for elephant. Now we draw counting 1 to 5. First of all, this is 1. This is 2. 2 is color is red. 2. 3. This is 3. 3 is color is also red color. Now we draw 4. 4 and last one is 5. Now we draw 5. 5. Okay kids, now we draw shapes and also color them. First shape is heart. Now we color it red color. What is this color? This is red color. Red color. Shape is heart shape. This is heart shape and now we are coloring it. Its color is red. Red. Finally we completed it. Now we shape other shape. This is triangle and we are coloring it. This is blue color. What is this color? This is blue color. What is the name of this shape? The shape name is triangle and we are coloring it with blue color. Now we are completed it. It's completed. It's triangle. Now we color other shape. This shape name is circle. What is the name of this shape? This shape name is circle. What is the color of circle? Yellow color. We are coloring with it yellow color. Shape color is yellow color. Shape name is circle. We have completed it. Now we move to other shape. This is star. What is the name of this shape? Star. What is the color of it? It's pink color. It's pink color. What is the color of star shape? Pink color. Finally, we are near to complete it. Okay, it is completed. It's a star. Now last shape we are going to color its square. The color of this square is purple. It's purple color. It's purple color. The name of the shape is square. It's a square. Kids, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. We are coloring our final shape. It's a square. The color of the square is purple color. Now we learn and repeat it again and again. First of all, English alphabet, then counting, and lastly shapes. This is A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heart, triangle, circle, star, square. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.